find a comfortable sitting position. This can be on the floor, legs crossed, or kneeling on a cushion, or sitting on a chair. We're going to do an exercise of alternate breathing. It will give you a feeling of space within yourself and a sense of balance. Alternate breathing helps you to develop a regular, comfortable breathing pattern and little by little helps you to become more focused. This breathing pattern will make you aware of any differences that might exist between how you breathe in and how you breathe out. For some women, breathing in is complete and pleasant, while breathing out can appear more difficult. For others, the opposite applies. Don't worry about this. Trust in yourself, and as you practice, you will improve your respiratory capacity. Bend your first, middle, and ring fingers into the palm of your hand. You will use your thumb on your right nostril and your little finger on your left nostril. You can lay your arm on a table. However you are seated, adjust yourself into a comfortable position and make sure there's no pressure on your chest. Begin by breathing out slowly and deeply through both nostrils, then close your right nostril with your thumb. Breathe in slowly through your left nostril. Hold your lungs full. Close your left nostril and breathe out slowly through your right nostril. Hold your lungs empty. Breathe in slowly through your right nostril. At the end of this inhalation, become aware of the sensation of your lungs being full. Then close your right nostril, open the left one and breathe out slowly through the left. Keep going until you are aware of the sensation of your lungs being empty. Breathe in slowly through the left. Hold your lungs full. Change nostril and breathe out slowly through the right. Become aware of the sensation of your lungs being empty. Carry on with this breathing pattern for at least 6 complete breathing cycles. As you do so, keep your face relaxed, your jaws loosened. Be sure you keep your shoulders relaxed. Welcome the sensation of air coming in through one nostril and going out through the other. Be aware of these moments of pause when your lungs are full and when your lungs are empty. Despite the position of your arm in front of your face, make sure you remain completely upright. The next time you breathe out through your left nostril, lay your hand back down. Relax both arms. Become aware of breathing through both nostrils again. Feel the sensation of air coming in and out, and notice the effects of this exercise. Keep your eyes closed for a few more moments if you're comfortable, so you can assimilate the benefits of your exercise, and when you feel ready, open your eyes.